Good morning students, Assalamu alaikum. In our previous lecture we have done adjectives and the kinds of adjectives. Those were qualitative adjective, quantitative adjectives, and we have done possessive adjective, interrogative adjectives and demonstrative adjectives. Now today we are going to do noun as adjective. There are few words or noun that we can use as adjective. Look at the definition. When a noun is used to describe another noun, the first noun acts as an adjective. Okay? So what is the example? He gave her a diamond ring. So what is diamond over here? On their first anniversary, there are two nouns together. So the first one is adjective over here, that is describing the noun ring. Okay? Now सेम लाइक जैसे नाउन एडजेक्टिव्स हो सकते हैं, इसी तरह वर्ब्स कैन ऑल्सो बी एडजेक्टिव्स. व्हाट इज़ द डेफिनेशन? जस्ट लाइक नाउन, वर्ब्स टू कैन बी used as adjectives. The present and past participles of verbs are very commonly used as adjective. She is listening to her mother's voice. पास्ट और प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल्स में, हमारे प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल में हम वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी ऐड कर देते हैं, एंड इन पास्ट पार्टिसिपल वी ऐड ईडी, डी एंड ईटी, सॉरी ओनली टी एंड देन en. These are the words that we can add with the verb to make the verb to make the participle of the verb. Okay, look at the example. She is listening to her mother's voice. What is listening over here? This is verb here in this sentence. The listening child was told engrossed in the story to notice the door opening. In this sentence there is a word listening that is telling you it is adjective of the word child. This is a noun in a sentence. Okay, then the baby is crying very loudly. So what is a verb over here? Is crying. Crying is verb in this sentence, and in next sentence the crying girl was soon comforted by her mother. Comforted is verb over here. Okay, एंड क्राइंग गर्ल हमारे नाउन के साथ क्या ऐड हुआ है? एडजेक्टिव. सो दिस इज आर एडजेक्टिव ऑफ प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. ओके, देयर इज एन एक्सरसाइज ऑन पेज नंबर 39 दैट यू हैव टू डू, दैट इज use the noun in the box below to make sentences of your own in which the noun function as an adjective. One has been done for you. They have given you nouns. Now you have to join another noun or another adjective with it to make a statement or a sentence. Our neighbors are erecting a stone wall around their garden. So they have given you just word stone. So you have made this stone wall. After writing the wall with it, you have created it as adjective. Okay. Now while writing the adjectives in a sentence, there might be two or three or more than two or three adjectives in a sentence. Now there is the order of adjective that you have to do. What is the definition of it? Often a noun is qualified by more than one adjective. In such case, it is important to decide how the adjectives should be ordered or sequence. It is very important when we have two or three or more than two or three adjectives in a sentence, that how we have to arrange them or how we have to sequence them. Okay, example, I recently bought a beautiful old German sports car at an auction. So how many adjectives are there? First is beautiful, second is old, third is German, sports, and car is your noun. Okay, so how many adjectives are here? Beautiful, old, German, sports. There are 4 adjectives over here in a sentence. So what is the physical description of this, that how you have to sequence them or how you have to arrange them in a sentence? First of all, there is opinion. What is the opinion of the sentence that you have to write? then the size of the noun, then the shape of the noun, then the age of the noun, the color of the noun, the origin of the noun, the material, the qualifier, and then in the end you will write your noun. Okay, so in this sentence we have opinion beautiful, that it is telling you that how beautiful car is. Then there is no size mentioned of the noun here, then there is no shape mentioned in the noun, then there is age mentioned, that it is an old car. Okay, then there is no color mentioned in the sentence. Then is there origin mentioned? Yes, they have told us that it is a German car. Okay, so we have written over here origin, that from where it is originated. Then what is the material of the car? They have not mentioned it. Okay, so what is the qualifier? It is sports car basically, and then the noun of the sentence, that is car. Okay, what is the next sentence? His new red silk tie was ruined by the laundry. So what is opinion over here? There is no opinion in a sentence, there is no size in a sentence, there is no shape in a sentence, but there is age in a sentence, that is new. Okay, so we will write here new in this sentence column. Then is there color mentioned? Yes, that is red. Again, that is origin. There is no origin in a sentence of the tie. What is the material of the tie? That is silk. Okay, so we will write silk over here in the column of material. Then there is no qualifier of it, and what is the noun? Tie is the noun of it. So you have to do this. They have given you an exercise. Rewrite the sentences in your notebook after correcting the order of adjectives. They have jumbled up the order of the adjective. Now you have to rearrange them and write them in your copies. Okay, your homework is do exercise of page number 39 and then do exercise of page number 40, page 41. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.